Hi everybody, it's your buddy Brad here. Today I am going to be talking to you about how to use three new variations that are in JWildfire 3.0. And they are the yplot 2D, yplot 3D, and parplot 2D WF variations. And basically what they do is they plot using mathematical formulas to create shapes. So here are three examples. This is the yplot 2D. This is the yplot 3D. This is an example of the parplot 2D. Now, they all have presets. You can find them on the JWildfire GitHub page. Also, Griffin Sarah of the JWildfire Open Group has created documents for them as well that show them with image examples. So first, yplot has three presets. The yplot 3D has 7 presets. Since it starts at 0, it goes to 0 to 6, that's 7. The parplot has 36 presets. Now, Andreas Maschke has added the yplot 2D and 3D, but we had in the group a lot of members add their own formulas that were included in the release. And those members were, of course, Andreas Maschke, Frank Baumann, Dimitri, and Don Town. And like I said, Griffin Sarah has made indexes for these as well. These files can be found in the JWildfire Open Group under the file section. So here she has the 3D, the yplot 2D with the different cases, and the parplot index as well. So going back here, there's a few cool tricks that you can do with them. Now with the yplot 2D and 3D, there's only one formula param. I'm going to be talking about the formulas, the presets, X-Men, Y-Men, and Z-Max, and the color modes and the params. I am not going to talk about the color and displaced maps. That will be another tutorial. So you can get to the different presets. Here I'm on 2D. And now you can also add, adjust them with these param settings down here. So for example, if we have formula selected, click on the gear icon. And I don't know if you can see this. but this is the formula for this preset. It's right here. Now, unfortunately, my zooming program would not let me type and zoom at the same time. But what you can do is, if you see like a number, like here I'm going to change this 4. I'm going to type in PARAM underscore A, which is right here. And if I click OK, now you see the shape has changed some. Now if we change this param by increasing or decreasing the numbers, you see it gives us a way of tweaking this formula to better suit what we want to do. Also, another little trick is you can click on the gear icon again, and let's say I'm going to put param B right here in front of this sign. Now, I am not very good at writing the formulas. You can actually take bits and pieces from other formulas and experiment that way. But as far as writing the formulas, that is not my strong suit, so I'm not going to talk much about that. So I'm going to type in PARAM B here, do a times, and come hit down here to param B. And there is really no set way. I could have had this be param A and this be param B. That doesn't matter. You can have the params any place you want. And then, of course, once you get something you like, you can render it. Do a quick render. And then the X-Men, Y-Men, and Z-Men also adjust the way the images can interact. Again, with almost anything in JWildfire, the best way to learn is just to experiment. Now, in the power plot, it actually has 3 formula slots. It has X formula, Y formula, and Z formula. And again, you can do that, set params for each one of those. So let's say here, if I set this to param A, it gives a differing effect on the object. Oh, and I'm just going, trying different things here. Let's try setting this under the X formula to PARAM B. Change param B, increase it, decrease it. Come back up here to Param A and try different things. Do a quick render. And get something like that. Now, there is actually a way that you can set these params so that when you open up JWildfire, they can already be set for you, but that will be under a more advanced tutorial. I think for right now, that is about it for using the yplot 2D, 3D, and the parplot 2D variations. So, till next time, talk to you later. Bye.